Hi, good morning to everyone. Yali ho. Myself Anand Jinto. My topic is search engine and earn from internet. What is a web search engine? A web search engine is or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, which means to search the world wide web in a systematical way for particular information specified in textual web search. Whatever information on internet it's share on your gadgets from your browser. There are different types of search engine: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, OneSearch, Wiki.com. In India is a most used to Google. All the search engine follow its algorithm, set information and pages and ranks. But I am discussing with how to earn with internet with Google search engine. People depend on Google for various purposes. Nowadays, how to earn money from Google is a big question in every mind. Many ways can help you to get any of the Google online jobs. So stop thinking about how to earn money with Google. Just find a Google online work that suits you best and then keep exploring the related opportunities. Google provides us to opportunity earn money with our skills. In today's era, all want to extra money, free our time. Am I right? Yes, answer is always right. In a nowadays, people using internet to make a money. Then how to earn money online with Google? I am going to explain absolute and genuine ways. Google don't want to be a person higher education, qualification and degree. It's on all your practical knowledge. It's not want to a person to be a software engineer and good knowledge about the software developing skill. Is tell to what you have skill and master in your work. First main thing remember, I am not going to marketing to Google products. There are so many ways to earn from internet. But in this about 92% is a fraud. It's hacker hack your bank account and stole money. We don't get money back from, right? Yes, they're absolutely right. There are a list of which one Google tools online on Google AdSense, YouTube, everyone knows, Google Blogger, Blogspot, Google Ads, selling apps on Google Play, bring a big financial benefits, Google Keyword Planner, search engine evaluations, Google Opinion Rewards, Google Pay, Google Maps. Show the right way to the world. Right now I am explaining some of them, easy to learn and earn money in our wallet. First one is I am choosing YouTube. Everyone knows how to get money from YouTube. Everybody know and everybody use TikToks and Hello apps for dance, songs and drama and short film also. Why not join this platform and earn money with Google? Without going deep, as everyone is aware, let us take a quick look at the basic steps on money through YouTube. First steps, make your own YouTube channel. Whatever you decided to do. Second one is Create a video, mobile, web camera, screen, recording program, anything can work. Video like dance, your work, professional work, cooking, songs and children's story, cartoon pages, fashion video, boutique, gym exercise videos, whatever you have made, you record in video format, text format or picture format. Step 3. Listen. Step 3. Upload video with a good title. Whatever you choose in video. Forget not to give a catchy thumbnail image, right? So the first impression on a thumb image, select the video. Step 4. Repeat it every day until a promising number of subscriber gathers. You do one thing, share your link on put a social media. Everyone knows Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Share your friend, LinkedIn, and subscribe these links to your brothers and sisters and family members and your colleagues. And putting a comments also. As your video may even go viral, you are a celebrity. Then you can make a video sponsor for companies and get a good income. It is also one of the best Google online job people looking for. YouTube lets you create your own web TV shows. You are limited only by your imaginations and your budget. Become YouTube personality. YouTube star can make a lot of money. Everyone knows. Teaching. Share your knowledge with tutorials. Tutorials are huge on YouTube. If you know how to do something, you can teach others and make money from videos. One of the example, beauty videos are popular. Michael Phan, for example, has a 1.3 million views. I am going to next point, Google Blogger or Blogspot. Your expertise in any particular area can help you answer the questions how to earn money from Google. Posting regular content on the blog is similar to Google online work. There is no constraint on the list of topics. From fashion to politics, all can include. Make sure you write closely on the subject and attract reasonable viewership. Google support your mother language too, so you can write any language like Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, English, Italian. You can write multiple language also. It's not bother all on this. Once you get regular viewers, ways to capitalize on the situation can be explored. Optimize the content according to your site, and relevant searches on the ranking improves. Get registered for AdSense and AdWords to get an ad post on your blog. Then get paid every single click. I am coming on AdSense and AdWords in the next topics. Okay, next move on Google Ads and AdWords. It helps you make a money online with Google in indirect but efficient way. It tells about the popular keywords that are in a search according to the latest trend. You can write or post about the same thing in the next update on the website and start Google online work. It also makes the promotional strategy. easy as you get to know about the direction of waves in a specified industry. Google Opinion Rewards. Very interesting, listen me please. No matter if anyone is interested in your opinion, right, or not, because Google is always ready to pay your opinion. It is a one of Google online job with a complete interest in knowing about what and how do you feel about particular thing. In fact, gives you reward to your views. Google Opinion Reward is an app through which you can earn by sharing your views in a survey. What does it work? How it works? First of all, download the app from Play Stores. Give some your basic personal details. Start getting the notification of survey once in a week. The survey is about your satisfaction on certain merchant in form of reviews and user opinions, right? In exchange, each completed survey you get credit on PayPal or Google Play Store. The value of this credit can be $1. It's something in variation, $1 in cents also. Submit form and detail option on products. I'm going to next. Selling apps on Google Play brings a big financial benefit. People are tech savvy today and they prefer handy things that help to do different tasks easily and instantly. If you want to earn money from Google, no doubts, everyone earn money from Google's after these lessons. Apps are good for that. Entertainment, games, financial transaction, ticket bookings, everything today gets done through apps. Everybody knows. If you have any new idea to implement in a gaming or fun app, example PUBG, Free Fire, then bring it to in action. Make the app, but it on a Google Play and earn a profit. You need to learn some skill, but like coding, which is quite an easy task to achieve with the help of internet and online tutorials. It is up to you. In Google Pay, lots of free app. So please do not forget. You cannot change a free app into paid app. For that, you need to make a new app from yourself and then upload it. Everybody know PhonePe, Paytm, internet banking. Just like next topic is Google Pay. Google Pay is one of the best payment gateway. Just put down phone number and find out your bank details to credit money. Download a Google Pay from the Play Stores, right? Now a e-commerce website use a payment gateway. It's a Google Pay. It is an indirect way to earn money online with Google. It is a mainly benefit for online stores, for e-commerce thing and some retailers. Google Pay is a service that handles payment transactions done by customers or like PayPal. The main purpose of using this platform is the trust factor. Main factor is Google Pay is a trust factor. People find it difficult to trust any random website. Nobody paying any random website to pay online product purchasing. But they can certainly trust on popular Google. It gives them feeling of security that If anything in concern of payment goes wrong, please listen. Anything goes wrong, Google is there to provide with every necessary backup on the financial details. With this trust and perception in mind, you have a great chance to get more customer on your website. Next topic is Google Maps. Shows the right way to the world. How to earn money with Google Map? Nobody knows. In my mind, nobody's known. Very big question arise in mind. Nowadays, nobody asks for address to person. Just put in address on Google Maps and find out the location and direction and best way to reach a address. So that's why Google want accurate location. Post a review of the places you visit using this app. Your feedback is very precious for Google as it helps in the improvement of its features. It is a not difficult job and you can earn with less investment of efforts. It is a colorful way to exploit the Google Map apps to get some money in your wallet. Click a good lot of photographs while you visit the varied places and tag them with the name of the locations. By making the best use of the all above feature, you are helping Google improve its search statistic. Edit and add location information. Why not you edit the location information to make it perfect and sufficient for the other user? Google pays you for this help. While editing, you can also add miss the location. Next one is Google AdSense. What exactly it does? To be precise and simple, Google AdSense puts ads on your website. Every year, Google pay billions of dollars for this. Even a few ads on your page can bring a good amount of money. The advertisements are according to the subject of your website. Example, cooking. So your ad is like a cooking. Your gym exercise, so your ad is in a gym products. For instance, if your site talks about popular tourist place in the world, then tourism related ads are placed on the website. It is a great way to make money online with Google, but not a cakewalk, as this why website gets an ad. You get advertisement on your website, you need at least more than 10,000 views. The advertisement get wider reach. Once you start getting a very good number of views and visitors and likes and comments, get the register with Google AdSense. If you upload video, then connect it to your YouTube account also and enhance the income. Its needs. People think money comes fast, but money doesn't come quickly. You need to keep updating your website with the latest updates and posts to earn money from Google. Fresh content attracts more users, and that is a good to get more viewers and finally reach a level 1,000 viewers or more than 1,000 viewers where your website can qualify for the Google AdSense criteria. Search engine evolution. My next topic is search engine evolution. It is a Google online job, one of the best job in Google search engine evolution, and making money while evaluating search engine result. The process is not such a complicated. However, it is necessary to familiar with the internet, as you need to spend some time on it. You have to more time on internet. Role of the search engines evaluator. I am explaining how it works. Evaluate web pages and website ads, etc. According to your evaluation, it becomes possible to know if the search engine is finding relevant things or not. Sometimes Google ads not relevant to our pages and information. The average payment to search engines evaluator is $12 per hour. $12 per hours. It means 1,000, more than 1,000, depending on the company that assigns the work. This payment may vary. It's something to 10, 12, right? Which means it can be more or less. It is interesting work for those who love doing research and like to go too deep in details. After all, this is how evolution done. If perfection reflects in your work, there are better chance to earn more in the future. Every company happy to pay good if the evaluator is doing good. Best. Your role is like a tester of product, not a consumer, right? To give you advice, some company like Apple, Leforce, Leonbridge and iSoftstone are advisable to start with as an evaluator. By making the best use of all above features, you are helping Google improve its search statistic and your wallet statistic. In exchange, you get paid for that. Initially, earning may come gradually with time. When your works improve, it is easy to accept big profits. You cannot measure the deepness of the sea with a small measuring scale, right? It is a wider and deeper, much more than your expectations. Google is not less than set of scopes. Just use this platform with the right amount of patience and smart work. Soon after some dedicated and determined efforts, money is sure to come. Let's do it other way to earn. Other website like Shutterstock is photographical website. You can upload your images, natural images, your images, whatever you painting, you upload it and get money in your account. But it's not like a YouTube and Google product. It's completely different. Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp give you money for its bug which you have find. If you have find any bug from the Facebook, definitely Facebook paid to you because it improve and enhance its product. You just send images of bugs to customer care and get it money. In the news, I read the news, the Facebook is a highest amount to pay to Indian person. Indian person is finding more than bugs in the Facebook. So give a good amount of money. Last thing, why I choose these topics. Right now we are all in a lockdown and we are almost free and waste our quality time, right? Waste our quality time. Using this search engine tool enhance our creativity and earn money on honest way. Be creative. Quality content is always the key to attract viewers and have high quality contents, you can never be lack of creativity. The internet is a changing so fast. You everybody know internet is a changing so fast that every trend can come and go within a week. New ways for you gain extra revenue would pop up without you noticing. So be creative with your use of resources. Always explore new ways and less for production, and you may have unexpected returns. Thank you very much for listening me. Stay safe, stay home, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.